YouTube, man, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another banger, man. Right now, as you can see, man, it is 7 a.m. We finna cut up in traffic, you know what I'm saying, on this lovely morning. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get some gas because we only got 30 miles to empty, so I'm finna get some gas, y'all. We need some gas. So, finna cut up, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all on the highway. All right, y'all, we is getting on the highway now, man. We is in eco mode, so let's change that. Double tap the SRT. And now we in that fast mode, you know what I'm saying? We in that fast mode, y'all. Let's see. We need to get over. We need to get over. This some slow shit. Gas is real cheap right now, y'all. It's like $3.50, y'all. So, hey, we finna get some more. God damn, it's so much traffic in the morning, y'all. I know I said I was gonna use the GoPro in the next video, y'all, but I forgot it. So in the next video, man, I'm posting 2 new videos after this. It will be door dashing in the SRT. It will be done with the GoPro. And then I will be doing a how do I afford 2 cars, 2 SRTs from age 19 to now, basically. So I'll do a video on that because I've been getting asked that a lot. And then after that, I'll probably do a Q&A. If you ain't following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that now because that's where I ask everybody to vote for videos and mods to do to the car, etc., etc. So it will be right here on the screen. So go follow me. We about to hit 10K over there, y'all, and we just hit 1.6 on YouTube. So I really appreciate y'all, man, for staying tuned and watching. But ain't shit I can do. It's too much damn traffic. How y'all get through traffic, man? Do y'all when y'all cut up, do y'all use y'all turn signals a little bit? Because I do. I feel like it's safer. You know what I'm saying? Even though I know I'm already being dangerous. Do y'all use y'all turn signals though? Because I do. And do y'all be taking crazy gas, man? If you got one of these type of cars, man, you cut up, let me comment below. Comment below if you got videos on your channel. I want to watch y'all videos too, man. I like cutting up with people though. I don't like cutting up by myself. It ain't no fun when it's by yourself. I need like 2 scat packs, 2 Hellcats, maybe a little slow Mustang with me or something, you know what I'm saying? While we cut up. It ain't no fun without them. Just make you feel like you playing GTA, y'all. That's what it feel like. When you cutting up with everybody, it's like you playing GTA, y'all, in real life. It's too much traffic though, y'all. I can't get through this. I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a minute. All right, y'all, like we got open lane. We got people getting on the highway, so we gotta get over. I'ma respect it. I'ma respect it, y'all. Move your ass out the way, bro. What the fuck you got going on? Man. Too many niggas not trying to stay in their lane. We got 12 right here, y'all. So let's slow it down. Let's slow it down. We got 12 in front of us. I don't feel like running. I don't feel like running, y'all. I would, but I don't feel like running. And he braking like I don't know what, y'all. I'm finna pick y'all back up, hold on. So look, I ain't wanna go the same way as him, so I got over last minute. That's how you do it. Cause he was braking like he wanted to get behind me, y'all. So we gotta go a whole nother way. And that's what we gonna do. Cause I know what he was on, but I'm not on what he on. Come on, Toyota. Hey, these cars reliable as hell. I need one of these. Push that motherfucker cruise. Let's see. There ain't no gaps to take, y'all. That's 12 right there, too. That's 12 right there, too, y'all. I don't know. We might have to chill out. We might have to chill out. Psych. But I can't cut up, y'all. It's too much traffic. Too much traffic. What you braking for? What the fuck is he braking for, y'all? Come on, speed it up. Man, I can't bully people at all. Not today. Look at this little Chevy Cruze trying to cut up, y'all. They trying to cut up. Watch you switch lanes. Watch you switch lanes, y'all. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I really appreciate y'all, man. We're on the road to 2K right now as I speak. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate that. Ooh, boy, that transmission shift sounds so good. Oh, we almost missed our exit. We almost missed the exit. Brembos will save your life too. Y'all gotta get y'all one of these, man. These cars are too fun. Get you something fast. I ain't gonna lie to you though, Mopar is not fast. Get you a Chevy. Get you a Chevy. Alright, y'all, man, that's gonna end the video. I appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, man, because we're going up from here. You know what I'm saying? I'm out.
I was 19 years old with 400,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought, if she really than a classy one. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.